Hey, I'm Dave from Escape, and I'm just going to show you how we hook up the Andersen adapter to the truck, and then we'll go hook it up to a trailer and show you how it's done. So here's the part for the back of the truck. So the way we do it, because we have the 5'5" truck, is we put this with the ball closest to the tailgate. So this should just drop into our rails here. There are different ones. There's gooseneck ones and ones that go on rails. But this one just drops on here. And then we have 4 pins. One for each corner. The hardest part is finding it. Pushes through like that, and then you'll have a cotter pin for each one as well. That one's too big. One there. One there, and one here. I'll grab another cotter pin because that one's too big, and I'll see you guys out front. Okay folks, so we got the hitch in there now, and now we're going to back up to the truck and hook up the trailer. So really the hardest part with the Andersen is you cannot see the ball properly from inside the truck. So a lot of people hook up a magnetic flag or what have you just to know where the middle is. And then what I do is I usually jump out and line up the ball with this red adapter here. Now the adapter is cone shaped, so you don't have to be exactly on, because when the trailer's lowered, it will slide into place. So it might take you a couple times. It takes me a couple times. And since we have the short box Fords, usually what I have to do is I have to back up, and as soon as I get near the trailer, I have to close the gate. You just want to make sure that your pin box, you're not hitting that. So I'll go ahead and back up a bit here and see how we make out. Okay, so we're up over the ball there. I think you can see that, Harrison. We're pretty close. So you want to make sure that your slide is unlocked. This is a lock that slides underneath the ball, so the trailer does not come out. So we want to make sure it's open before we lower it, and now we'll go ahead and lower it onto the ball. You can lower all the weight right down. Okay, once all the weight's down on there, we can slide the lock into the closed position, and then we turn it clockwise, and that locks it. So you shouldn't be able to pull it out, and that locks the fifth wheel onto your truck. Okay, so we got your breakaway cable here, and what this does is basically if the trailer comes off the truck, this will pull out and it will apply all 4 brakes to the trailer with the battery power of the trailer. So some people have a carabiner installed here. If you don't, I just wrap it around here, wrap it around the post there, and make sure it's in there good. So some of you folks in the States and in BC will have safety chains. This one is hooked up for safety chains. I just don't have them installed on the trucks. So you get different U-bolts with the eyelets on there, and then those chains would just clip onto there. I know in some states it's mandatory that you have to have them. So that's it for the brakes. Now we just have to hook up the 7-pin wire connector. These cords are long enough to reach to the bumper. So there is a little lock on here, and that locks in behind the door. So we'll just put this guy in here, wiggle it pretty good, and make sure it's not going to come out, and that's it. And then from this point, you would want to check your brakes and your lights to make sure that you have a good connection with all. And that's as easy as it is to hook up the Andersen adapter. Good luck, enjoy your new trailer, built for you.